Hey, I want to do an update on the Texas garden in October. I've been battling whiteflies. I don't know if you can see them flying around. I just sprayed them with water, and I've been doing that every 3 days. And then after I spray them with water so they don't reproduce, I've been using neem oil and insecticidal soap, kind of alternating both. Because that is supposed to control the reproduction of the whitefly. I have some good news that I did pick a cucumber yesterday, but I was a little discouraged with my cucumbers because the whiteflies has caused a lot of the leaves to turn brown because they suck the sap out of the leaf. But the good news is I've been discovering little baby cucumbers. And that gave me hope because I was kind of really about ready to put this in the trash. So hopefully with me keep spraying with insecticidal soap that it will control the reproduction, because they can reproduce like 200 eggs a day. Here's my squash that I'm trying to do again, and it's getting yellow flowers. Here's a bush bean growing here with basil. My Ichiban eggplant is being affected by the whiteflies because not as many eggplants. The lettuce seems to be surviving with the cilantro. My tomatoes are reproducing. I planted cauliflower and it's growing. The pot marigolds are still beautiful. I'm still getting Ichiban eggplant. I'm getting white flowers on the banana peppers. There's a banana pepper growing right down there. And I have a lot of green beans growing. They're the bush bean variety. And I've been waiting patiently. And I love green beans, so this is a happy celebration. And they're supposed to keep reproducing for about 3 weeks. The poblano peppers have succumbed to some black fungus or brown fungus because the white flies, like I said, suck the sap out of the leaves, and it makes it more susceptible to fungus or mold. Thank goodness that we have a solution though, because the neem oil and insecticidal soap is helping, because it was a lot worse. I don't see any white eggs on the back of the leaves because sometimes that's where the whiteflies like to have their eggs. So I feel like the problem is being controlled, but it's not like a one-time solution. You have to keep battling it, spraying with water to get rid of the whiteflies, and then coming back and spraying it with insecticidal soap. Some people use Dawn dish soap. Here's my radishes. They're about ready to be picked. Basil, more tomatoes. So this is a Texas garden in October, and hopefully these white flies will be rid of completely